Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription. This is a common issue that can happen due to payment problems or browser cache, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted out quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, look towards the top right of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Prime Membership. This will take you to the page where all your membership details are displayed. Now, this is the crucial step. Check the status of your Prime membership carefully. You'll see whether it's marked as active, pending, or failed. If your membership shows as active, that means everything is fine on Amazon's end. However, if it says pending or failed, that's likely the root of your problem. A failed or pending status usually means there was an issue processing your payment, which prevents you from accessing Prime benefits. If your membership is not showing as active, locate the payment or renewal option on this page and click on it. Here you'll need to update your payment method. This might mean adding a new card, correcting billing information, or simply re-entering your existing payment details to trigger a new processing attempt. Make sure all the information is accurate before saving. Once you've updated your payment method, refresh the page to see if the status changes. If you're using the Amazon Prime app, go ahead and restart it completely. Close the app and reopen it to ensure the changes take effect. Sometimes, a simple refresh or restart is all it takes to sync the updated information. If the issue persists, it might be due to cache data in your browser causing conflicts. To clear this, click on the three dotted lines in the upper right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Browsing Data. A new window will pop up with several options. Click on More in the top menu to expand the settings, then select All Time from the Time Range dropdown. This ensures you're clearing all stored data, not just recent activity. Finally, click Delete Data to confirm. This will remove any outdated or corrupted files that might be preventing Amazon Prime from working properly. After clearing the cache, go back to Amazon.com and log in again to check if your Prime membership is now functioning correctly. And that's it. You've successfully troubleshot the issue and your Amazon Prime should be working now. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.